J Bubble, check me out. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby, you're right here.
Okay.
Yo, I feel you, man. I feel you. Right here, y'all. Got it. Yes. It's a big guy. It's a big one. It's for you, David. For you, David. Woo! Yes. Got him. Woo! Oh my God, David. Look at that. Woo! Yes. Biggest bass I ever caught in my life. .5. Got one. Yep. Got it right here, dude. Right, JYB right here. Got another one on the jig. All right, it's a big one. It's a big one. Woo! Yes! Another one, y'all. Yes. Okay. He's a little small, but he still works. All right. Another one. There you go, guys. A second bass in Oklahoma. Oh, another one! Yes! Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, you're not going nowhere. Look at that. Urban Smallies right here, you guys. Yeah! Check that out. Fatty. Whoa. Awesome, you guys. It's a fatty right here. Oh. Yep, got one. Big Somali. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, it's a big one. Big one. Woo! And they'll take it. So we can catch the baby bass. Got it, guys. Smallest bass. Right here. That's cool, eh? Here you go. Smallest bass. Got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, on the drop. Whoa, 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 yes. Check that out. It's a big bass. Woo, she spawned out. Whoa. Threw my fluke in there. Saw my fluke disappear. Did the hook set. And right on the roof of the mouth, man. You guys check that out. Nice bass. I'll take some picture and then weigh this guy. And man, I got him good. Guys, so it's more like caught a bunch of dinkers on a small swim bait for next swim bait, but the biggest bass of today is a 2-pounder. I'll be honest, guys. I don't like fishing on a canoe. It moves too much. Going, guys. Yes, it's a bigger one now. Woo! Yes. See where it is? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Biggest fish of the day for 2017. Oh crap! A rock bass. Rock bass. Woo! Check that out, guys. A rock bass. Fish on, y'all. Move downstream towards the mouth of the lake, and this is a. Ooh, this is a fighter. Ooh, not sure what this is. It's a walleye. Okay, guys. It's raining and I'm still fishing. A lot of the guys are taking a break. Oh, what's this guy? Oh, it looks like a nice walleye, but it's a bigger one. Oh, crap. He's going to the wood. The river's flooded. Gotta bring him in quick. Not to the tree, not to the tree. He's tired out. He's tired out. He's tired out. He's tired. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He's on the tree. Ah. See if we can go. Oh, shoot. Okay, I got him out of the tree. It's a nice one. Okay, guys. Oh my God, big bass. Big bass. All right, guys, I'm on one. Yep, it's a big one. I don't know, man. Took me on straight. Oh, oh, smallie. Ooh. Yep. Guys, a bronzy, guys. Woo. On the finesse swim bait. Oh my God, they can fight. They can fight.
I got you. I'll keep up.
All right, bro.
Bring it. I got you.
Yeah, let's go, Dave. High five, man. High five, dude.
Look at that.
On the finesse swim bait, y'all.
4-pounder right there.
Wow. Our first lake, big and smallie, dude.
4-pounder.
It's a nice one.
Wacky?
Yep, wacky rig.
Yep.
First cast on the wacky rig, guys. Oh, it's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, you need that?
I don't know. Dude. Oh my God, it's a nice one. Woo, pulling drag, guys. On the wacky rig. I picked up wacky rig and I tossed it out and took it. There you go. Oh my God, it's a big large, dude. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hell yeah, she. Oh, damn, 5-pounder. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hell yeah, Oh, damn, 5-pounder. Oh, dude, right? 5-pounder. Oh my God, it's a 5-pounder. Oh, dude, that's gotta be like right on fire.
Yeah,
It's
too. Must be a big cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
I just caught it. Right here, flies right here. See if you can see it.
He's on.
Nice.
I saw that, dude. Oh,
That
Dan,
was
keep
pretty
jigging.
tight, bro.
Dan, keep jigging.
Man, that's awesome, dude. Yeah. Itsjohnyang Bass got us some on some fish, man.
Let's go.
Follow him YouTube, guys. This is awesome, dude. Ice fishing, you have to try it.
Careful. He's a shaker. Yeah. Whoa, he's not coming out.
Oh, it's a slug right here. This guy's a slug.
Oh my god, he's fat.
Yeah, it's a stud.
Bring it in.
A stud. Popped out of nowhere.
Nice. There you go, bro.
Beautiful fish.
I'll just hold it. Oh!
Nice fish on the wax one that David got.